buddy.
Alex, your first Christmas. What do you think? He seems to like this present.
What's in there, buddy? Oh, good job ripping the paper. Good job. Should we rip the paper on the front? Should we rip the paper on the front? Let's turn it around. Okay. Let's start it again. Right here. You pull right here. What's this? Alex, right here. What's that?
Alex, get in there.
Can you get it?
What is that? Buddy.
Here you go.
Okay, now he got his attention.
Good job.
Good job, buddy. He's smiling. He says, Mom, what is this? What do you think, buddy? What do you think? Wow, he got all sorts of stuff in here. Says, Mom, it's behind a bunch of plastic. How am I supposed to get in here?
Look at all those books.
It's a baby Einstein Deluxe gift set.
Open it up, buddy. You say Merry Christmas, Daddy?
Merry Christmas, buddy. Alex.
You say Merry Christmas to Daddy?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Captain Sweatpants.
Merry Christmas, Elizabeth.
Merry Christmas. Daddy to open it for you. Oh,
Well,
Mom
we're
needs a
gonna
brush too.
tear into these toys. Merry Christmas, everyone.